how to send money from PayPal to Wise. So what we want to do is log into PayPal and then select send. Now right here we will send to a bank account because Wise is going to act as a bank account, so just click on send to bank account, and here we'll just agree and continue. Now it's going to load up a new screen asking for which country we are sending money to, so I'll just do the United States and select United States here. Now it's going to ask for the amount that we'll be sending, so I'll do 15 euros, which is going to automatically convert it to US dollars, and click on next. And now what is going to happen, it is going to ask us for a receiving option, and we want to select bank deposit. Click next. And this is the last screen that we'll need to fill out. So we'll need to fill out the account type, the account number, and the routing number. We can get all of this information from Wise. So you just want to log into Wise, then click on the United States flag, and you will get all of the information there. So the account type will be checkings, and the routing number and the account number you can get from your Wise account directly. I can't show you unfortunately because Wise has locked me out of my account, but it's basically how you do it. You will just select the United States flag, the US dollar, and you will get the all of the information that you need right here. Then you click on next, and you will have successfully transferred money from PayPal to Wise. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.